Hi guys, Trev here from Northwales Bushcrafters, out again just to do a small review on this kind of knacky little piece of equipment, because it's the MIL-TEC tripod for small fires. What I'm going to do is get this out the bag, set it all up and show you what it's like. So stick with us and we'll have a little chat about this. So, there we have it. To be honest, quite sturdy, and the couple of times that I've used this, as you can see, you can only have a very controllable size fire on this, which is what we should be doing most of the time anyway. You can higher and lower this, lots of ways to bring that up, lock that through, he says, and you can adjust the height at any point, lowering it quite low. Imagine the size of your pan. I'll get a pan out and put that on and you can see in a second. And what I will do in a second as well is I'll get a fire going and we'll possibly make a brew, or at least show you how it works. My final thoughts on this MIL-TEC tripod. I've got to say again, as usually, I've been very lucky on the last few posts that all the kit I've had has been extremely good, and I have to give this also a thumbs up. So get yourself a bargain around the £20 for an overnighter or just a day hike. It's a cracking piece of kit to keep the mug stable and make yourself a lovely brew on those lovely walks. Needless to say, I do have another way that you could do a very similar kind of thing. So if you'd like to subscribe and hit the notification button, I'll do another video showing you how to do that. I'll look forward to seeing you all over on that video. Take care guys, see you soon.
It's recording 100%.
I'm laughing because hello there guys. Shush, fucking laughter at me head. Hi guys, so here's my final thoughts. Take two.
Okay, shoot and go.
Well goes.
You don't need to walk away.
Oh, no, I do. I have to reset myself.
Okay. Fair enough.
Fucking face. Staring at me.
He's staring at the camera.
I will get the fucking thing.
What's wrong with you today?
I don't know. I'm the giggles.